Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome back to MG Global again. Today I am going to present you a project in central Kolkata location. It's a premium project by one of the most renowned builder of Kolkata. The builder is having more than 50 years of legacy in the city of Joy. And this project is having total 11 acres of land parcel, in which 80% of the land is totally vacant, including this beautiful central water body area. And you can see these are the high-rise towers. These are G plus 19 story towers, A4 and A3 towers, and these are basement plus ground plus 17 story towers. These are B1 and B2 towers. These are currently ready to move in apartments, in which we are having only 206 units. Out of that, all the units are sold out except 2 3 BHK and 1 4 BHK unit. The 4 BHK right now we are having, that is on the first floor, and on that side you can see that 4 BHK size. The size of this 4 BHK is approximately 2200 square feet, and this is, you can see, a dedicated garden area. It's a beautiful landscaped garden. We are having 2 central garden in this project. Let me tour this garden and then I will show you the actual flat. So these are the cabana space, sit out areas, and you can see this beautiful lotus pond in front of you. And again I am showing you the location. This is the flat location where it's available. It's a 4 BHK. These entire 2 towers are dedicated for 4 BHK apartments. And now you can enjoy the beauty of this project with this beautiful central pond area. And this is the open gym space beside this lotus pond. And this project is very premium property, and every corner of the project is uniquely designed. Here we are having community hall, that side. So that is the entry of the community hall. I will go it to the later. These are cabana spaces and meditation zones beside this beautiful central pond area. So this is another cabana space. Lovely architecture. And just beside that, this is meditation and yoga deck. So this entire project is having these 2 central garden area, which is having a land area of around 5 acres, which is dedicated only for this beautiful gardens. Children's park, it's developed, and you can see this sit out areas. Again, beautiful children's park with open amphitheater space. And see the beauty of this elevation. This is the beauty of this elevation. And each apartment is having private terrace. I will show it later. So, and on that side, on behind that, we will be having another tower, that is tower number A1, and this is tower number A2, which will be developed very early. The handover as per RERA is 2028 December, but we are targeting the handover by 2026 December, within 2 years or 2.5 years of time. And these 2 towers is having availability of 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK apartments. and we are having some units ready to move in, apartments available. Only 3 units are left right now. So now I am going to show you another garden area, pocket garden area. Let me show you the entrance of basement car parking. This is the entrance of basement car parking space, and beside that you can see the beautiful driveways. It's a humongous driveways, and see this beautiful elevation of these towers. So let's move. I will show you all other amenities and facilities. These are very wide driveways. You can see the transformer units are there. The handover of this property is already given. The customers are already residing in this project. So every security cameras, every modern amenities are already placed in this project. It's totally habitable project. And you can see another garden area. This is first garden. You can see this garden area and driveways. So I will show you the clubhouse later in this video. As you can see, these are the central garden areas, very wide, uniquely designed with modern architecture. All landscaping are almost ready. The project is already received clearance certificate from the government authorities for the phase 1. And this is our entry of our clubhouse. We are having a dedicated clubhouse of 20,000 square feet in between these A4 and A3 towers, in which on the second floor level we are having this swimming pool space above this clubhouse. And see this space and this beauty of this architecture again. See this. And I will show you the entry gate. The project is located in a very close proximity. Distance is just about 4 to 5 minutes from Toliganj metro station. Just 5 to 6 minutes driving distance from Ravindra Sarovar metro station. South City Mall is just about 10 to 12 minutes driving distance from this project. The project is located on the main road, which is bus route, and also all the hospitals, schools, everything is nearby. Just opposite to that we are having Suraksha Diagnostic Center, just opposite to our gate itself. These are our car parking spaces and entry gates, as you can see. So you can clearly see the open space in this project. The 80% of the area is totally vacant. You can feel the breeze in this project due to this open space. So now I am going to show you the clubhouse. We have kept these trees alive in this project. You can see the block number A4 with entrance lobby. So this is our club entry. You can see this beautiful club lobby welcomes you. So let's move. So this is the entry of our clubhouse. So now we are at the clubhouse on the ground floor level, and just on entry beside that you will be having this multi-purpose court. So it's an indoor multi-purpose courts. It's a humongous space. Now let's see your indoor games room. So this side is your indoor games room, and this is video game room. You can see this video game room. So, and this is indoor games. So you can see this beautiful finishing of this indoor games room. Luxurious project with all luxurious amenities. Now you can also see this side is our banquet, and that side we are having library space and lounge. So let's enter to our banquet hall. So this is our banquet hall entry. It's a double height banquet. So you can clearly see the space. It's humongous, ultra luxurious. And in this banquet, you can easily accommodate at least 500 members. So this is our Infinity 8 swimming pool on the second floor level. And from here you can see the beautiful elevation of towers. This side also we are having changing rooms, this side. And from this side also you can see this beautiful elevation. This is our first floor of the clubhouse. So here we will be having guest rooms on this side. So now you can see this is the miniature model of our project. So these tower we are taking booking, and these are all ready to move towers, A4 and A3. This is A2 and A1. So right now we are taking bookings in A1 tower. A2 we have not opened yet, and this is B1 and B2 tower. So about the pricing right now, let me guess the price for you. So can you guess the price? So for this premium project we are having starting price for 3 BHK just 1.5 CR onwards. For 3.5 BHK it's about 1.8 CR onwards. For 4 BHK it's about 4 BHK with 3 toilets, it's about 2.2 CR onwards. And for 4 BHK 4 toilets it's about 2.6 CR onwards. So to know more about the project, please contact us. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. See you soon. Goodbye.